Haga arplai tere unai wig aja arpway, kajinga rally de ki thuk lani ki bike, balapulong de ka border road organization, kalapoy haga jala megalaya, barkani kajinga rally ka longkum ka dak ban ken mawe kajingdap nyopasan snem kari India ban yo e kajingai loy. Yagani ka kinhula priang buram da Sunil Kumar Chobi wayne ki he engineer jong katanat border road organization ha megalaya. Kani ka rally lani kajinga de ki thuk kalas dang na nong ba Delhi, haga khatsau tarik urisau aja arpway, Barka jingtmu jongani garali ka longban pendep 8,000 kilometer hapo nyupusan sngi daki nyupusan ngot kinongnya.
It has been organized on the eve of Amrit Mahotsav. As we are aware that country is celebrating the 75th year of the independence and various national programs have been organized by the various ministries, and MOD is also organizing similar kind of functions. This motorcycle rally expeditions was flagged off by Honorable Raksha Mantri from War Memorial Delhi on 14th October 2021. It will be covering almost 20,000 kilometers of the road, traversing throughout the country, perimeter of the country. There are total 7 legs of the expeditions. Out of that, the expedition is likely to reach at Shillong under the 4th leg of its expeditions. After reaching, these expeditions will terminate at the Kolkata, and after that 5th leg of the expedition will start. The motto of this expedition is to spread the role of the BRO in the nation building, road safety, awareness among the road users about the road safeties, contribution of BRO in the humanitarian measures in disaster and relief, socio-economic development in the remote areas which is being done by the BRO.